Mastering research budget planning. We're blowing our budget on the wrong research projects. When our organization is faced with multiple research projects vying for limited resources, what is the process by which we select and prioritize these projects based on their alignment with our organizational strategy and goals, and what specific criteria do we use to ensure that we are allocating our research budget to the most impactful and strategic initiatives? In the face of multiple research projects competing for limited resources, our organization employs a rigorous and structured process to select and prioritize projects that align with our organizational strategy and goals. This process is designed to ensure that our research budget is allocated to the most impactful and strategic initiatives, maximizing the return on investment and driving business growth. Step 1: Project identification and initial screening. The process begins with the identification of potential research projects through various channels, such as internal idea generation, customer feedback, market analysis, and industry trends. Each project idea is then subject to an initial screening, where a small team of stakeholders evaluates the projects based on their alignment with organizational goals, relevance to current business needs, and potential impact on the organization. Step 2: Project proposal development. Projects that pass the initial screening are invited to submit a detailed proposal, outlining the project's objectives, methodology, timelines, budget requirements, and expected outcomes. The proposal should also articulate how the project aligns with the organization's strategy and goals, and what specific benefits it will bring to the organization. Step 3: Project evaluation and scoring. A cross-functional evaluation committee, comprising representatives from various departments, reviews each project proposal and scores it based on a set of predefined criteria. These criteria may include alignment with organizational strategy and goals, potential impact on business growth and revenue, competitive advantage and market relevance, technical feasibility and risk assessment, resource requirements and budget constraints, timeline and milestones, expected return on investment, ROI. Each criterion is assigned a weighted score, and the committee members evaluate each project independently, using a standardized scoring template. Step 4: Project prioritization. The evaluation committee aggregates the scores and ranks the projects based on their overall score. The projects are then prioritized, with the top-scoring projects being selected for funding and resource allocation. Step 5: Budget allocation and resource planning. Once the projects are prioritized, the budget allocation process begins. The total research budget is allocated across the selected projects, taking into account the resource requirements and budget constraints outlined in each project proposal. The organization's resource allocation plan is then updated to reflect the project priorities and resource commitments. Step 6: Ongoing project monitoring and review. Throughout the project lifecycle, the organization conducts regular project reviews and progress monitoring. This ensures that projects remain on track, and any deviations or changes are addressed promptly. The project review process also provides an opportunity to reassess project priorities and reallocate resources as needed. Specific criteria for project evaluation and prioritization. In addition to the evaluation criteria mentioned earlier, the organization considers the following specific factors when selecting and prioritizing research projects. Business case strength: the project's potential to drive business growth, improve operational efficiency, or enhance customer satisfaction. Technical difficulty and risk: the technical complexity and risk associated with the project, including the potential for breakthroughs or innovative solutions. Resource availability: the availability of necessary resources, including personnel, equipment, and budget, to support the project. Stakeholder input: feedback and input from key stakeholders, including customers, partners, and internal teams. Strategic fit: the project's alignment with the organization's strategic objectives, such as innovation, customer centricity, or operational excellence. ROI and payback period: the project's expected return on investment and payback period, including any quantifiable benefits or cost savings. By following this structured process, our organization ensures that our research budget is allocated to the most impactful and strategic initiatives, driving business growth, and aligning with our organizational strategy and goals.